Hey, what's up? It's Ben here, and this machine right here is the sander. The sander is meant to sand down sharp edges. The first step in using the sander is to be safe. You gotta use closed-toed shoes, safety goggles, tie back your hair so it doesn't get caught in the belt. Okay, first thing you do is you plug in the sander. Then you want to get gloves so you don't accidentally hurt your hand. Then you want to turn it on. So whenever you sand this down, you don't want to go against the rotation of the belt, or else it'll jab at the belt and it'll wear down the belt a lot faster. So let's start sanding. Now we don't have a sharp edge. And that's how you use a sander. Thank you.